Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this short and simple video we are going to demonstrate that you can record Skype calls. So once at the Skype audio or video call, doesn't matter at this point, tap somewhere at the screen, wait for this additional interface to appear, then tap at the three vertical dots that are located at the bottom right corner. In here you'll find the start recording option, then respectively click on it. As you can see, the recording is getting started at the moment. All the participants of this call will be notified, or they will have the same icon as you do, but without an option to stop the record. They just know that the recording is being made. And from here, once you're ready to stop recording your Skype call, just tap at the stop recording text or option over here. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.